You're out here fishing. Beautiful day. Do you see something that is really, really dangerous? Hey guys, it's Gerald Bass Kicking Adventures. Today I'm out here fishing in the lake behind my house, and it's looking pretty daggone good. The water is very low, which is surprising because we got a considerable amount of rain yesterday and today, but it is definitely low right now. So it is about 4 o'clock. It's about 80 degrees right now. Very little to no wind. Water conditions are good, and I am going to be starting out with a Senko worm, and I've also got some other baits. The ones that I have tied on is a chatterbait and a rattle trap, but I've got some topwater baits also. So I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully I'm gonna have a good day out here fishing. Hey guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment. I'm about 50 subscribers away from 1,000, and I really want to get to that mark. So just take just a second to do that. If you don't mind doing those for me, I'd really appreciate it. Well guys, I'm gonna show you why I lost that bass. As you know, I've been in here fishing a few times now, and I know my surroundings. And I don't know if you can tell from the video or not, but when I had that bass right here at the boat, I was looking up in the tree right there because I knew that I was close to it. I just didn't know how close. And let me show you how close. Okay, right here is where the fish got off. Look right there. And I'm getting ready to show you, if I didn't know my surroundings, that bass was getting ready to pull me in those trees right there. Just look at that, guys. I mean, there are hundreds of wasps on that nest right there. It is slap full. You know, did I want to get that bass in the boat? Yes. But not at that price. So, I know I always say it, but keep your eyes open. Some lakes I don't really notice it, but this lake here, for whatever reason, those wasps, they love to build their nest on overhanging limbs. Alright guys, you don't know the area. You're just coming along this beautiful bank here, fishing around the structure, the trees and the grass and different things. And you make a bad cast. And it gets tangled up in that limb right there. I hope you're ready to jump out of the kayak. There's another huge wasp nest. Absolutely full of wasps. Just look at that, guys. And when I go past it here, can't really tell from the GoPro, but I'm gonna be about 4 feet from the nest. I could easily stick my paddle out and touch it. But they will not mess with you unless you make a bad cast. That would be a bad day. Good gracious. Can't tell. I hope whatever it is wants this rubber worm. See it right there. It's got to be a carp. Dang. Dang. What the heck is that? I don't know what it was, but that's a big fish. Pretty sure it was a carp. Alright guys, do you see anything dangerous in this picture right here in front of me? Just look around. You're out here fishing. Beautiful day. Do you see something that is really, really dangerous? I mean, the type of danger that it could kill you. And I'm just a matter of feet away from it. Can you see it yet? Now I'm about 10 feet away from it. 8 feet. Right there, guys. There are hundreds of wasps on that nest right there. And I'm 6 feet from it right now. Absolutely slap full of eggs. It's crazy. Keep them eyes open, guys. I don't know why the bees like to nest over the water, but in some lakes they love to do that. guys. At least no skunk today. But still hoping for something much bigger. Alright guys, I've shown you a few big wasp nests today. Right there is a hornet's nest, and that one is even worse than the wasp nest. You hit that nest, you're really going to be in trouble. It's crazy. There goes one going in there now. There's a few on the outside. Alright guys, I'm going to call it quits. Not exactly the results that I wanted today, obviously. I don't know what was going on with the bass. Tried many different plugs, rubber worms, top water. I mean, they just weren't biting. I don't know what's going on. But pretty interesting to see those bees, the bees nest, the 3 or 4 wasp nest, and then that one big hornet's nest. But didn't catch any big ones. But I still had a good time out here. If you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like it, comment. If you do that stuff, it helps my channel grow. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that's what I'm really trying to get. You guys take care. See you soon.